Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up ZOHO Mail step by step. Whether you're setting it up for personal use or your business, ZOHO Mail is a fantastic feature-packed email service. So let's get started. First things first, head over to ZOHO Mail website. You can simply look for it on your browser by entering ZOHO Mail on your search bar. And this is the website that we're going to use to get started and sign up for an account. You can click on sign up on the right top side of your screen, and that will guide you to a page where you can enter an email address and a password or sign up with a Google account. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to proceed with a Google account and select the specific email that we're going to use for our ZOHO Mail account. Next up, you proceed to confirm by selecting Continue, and ZOHO will provide you with a space to enter your full name, and once that's done, you would have to agree to the terms of the service and click Create Account. On the next page, you can specify for what purpose you're going to use ZOHO Mail. ZOHO has different apps for different services. For instance, as you can see, it has a CRM, a mailing option, an assist option, social media option, and so much more. For this purpose, we're going to try out the mailing option so that we can set up our ZOHO Mail. For a quick confirmation, you're going to be requested to enter a phone number, and once you've done that, you can click on Send Code, and a verification code is going to be sent to your number. To proceed, you can click on Verify, and that will have the phone number added and integrated to your ZOHO Mail account. And now you can click on Continue to access your ZOHO Mail profile dashboard. On this section, you're going to need to specify an email account address. If you're using it based on a business, you can select the first option. That's going to allow you to enter an email address with a domain name. If you're using it based on a personal email account, you can select the second option and proceed to enter a zohomail.com address. And there you have it. Your account has been created and you can access ZOHO Mail's features and use the different apps that are within that feature. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and we'll see